Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be continuing on this engine. So you just watch the previous video in the link above to see how I talked about more about this engine when I did the replacement of the timing chain, and I showed the points of how to place the timing chain. So basically the cover is basically in, and the sump is basically in as well, and you can see the silicone, the new silicone. It's all sealed. I left it overnight to be perfectly dry because I don't want to see inside this engine. I don't want to see any leakage in the engine. Now I'm going to continue like coupling everything, all bits. So basically now I need to put the top back. I've all cleaned everything, the injectors, hose, all cleaned. So basically it's also like couple it back, seal it up, and one final bit. When putting the top cover in, you need to be conscious about this bit as well. This side you need to like put like silicone to cover it in, and I'll take you step by step how to go about it. Yeah, so I've added my silicone and also at this place as well. And first so this is my valve cover, and it's gonna go in, and I've cleaned it up. So the valve cover is completely in, all tight in, all goes in. See all the injector holes all tight. I think next I have to put in the injectors, and from there I'll see. If you can remember this engine, which I did previously in the link above, I did a timing chain replacement, and I removed the EGR valve, I removed the clutch, the plate, everything. This is just like a complete job of putting everything back. I just want to show you the cover. On the injectors are in, injector housings, all goes in tight, all complete. And with the material, this material is different. It looks like brass. Good engine. This is the EGR valve all stuck in. Now you can see the vacuum sensors all connected. It runs from here to this cylinder valve sensor, and it goes all the way. You can see all the way. It goes all the way. You can see straight to the engine block, and this other one go to this solenoid sensor. And basically regarding this engine, why I stripped it down was like I did a timing chain on it, I did a EGR valve replacements on it, this is a EGR valve, and I did a clutch and flywheel for this engine. So the easiest way of carrying this job out was to drop the engine down, strip it, then do the job plain. So basically now I just want to put the clutch in, and everything complete, and I will show you step by step how I did it. And if you keep following my channels, you learn more about cars, learn more about engines, learn how work have been carried out excellently and good. I go for quality at the same time speed, and keep following on my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, learn more. It's always good to learn something about your cars, and yeah, keep on keen tunes to the channel. Yeah, everything is in. The gearbox is in, the EGR valve is in, timing chain done, everything in. I think the engine is ready to go into the car. Yeah, pretty much constructed, and yeah, I think this is the car. Everything is gonna go straight down. Yeah, stripping it.